Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Miss Rida Ansar. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, force. Students, in this lecture we will talk about only force. What is force? Force is pushes or pulls when something changes position, falls, turn and stop, then we can say force is acted upon it. Students, जब कोई चीज़ अपनी पोजीशन चेंज करती है तो जो कशिश की कुव्वत अप्लाई होती है उसको हम फोर्स का नाम देते हैं. इन द पिक्चर you can see kids are performing different actions with the help of force. There are many kinds of force. Pulls and pushes are forces. Force can also be produced by people, animals and machines. In this picture you can see a kid is closing a door by applying a force. So students, this kid is applying a pushing force on the door to close. This door is being closed by pushing force. In this picture you can see a boat is moving due to force of wind. Students, in the previous slide we can say force are of many kinds. So wind and flowing water is a type of force. The wind and flowing water can also act as force. Wind और मूविंग वाटर जो है वो फोर्स के तौर पर एक्ट करते हैं. इन दिस पिक्चर द फोर्स अप्लाइड ऑन द बोट इज विंड एंड फ्लोइंग वाटर. सो थैंक यू एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.